Hello, beautiful people. Jenny Umali here, Reiki Master Teacher, Spiritual Life and Business Coach for Purple Light Healing and Coaching. So, you want to learn Reiki? Or maybe you've already dipped your toes into Reiki and you're thinking, what's next? You feel this deep calling to help others, to become a true healer, maybe even turn your gift into a business. But here's the thing. Getting certified is only part of the path. What you really want is clarity, confidence, and a real plan. That's why we created the Purple Light Reiki Mastery Path. When I first started, I was excited, but honestly, I was also overwhelmed. I had the gift, but no guidance. I got certified, but I didn't know how to get clients, how to charge, or how to truly own my energy as a healer. I had to figure it out the hard way. That's why we designed this path to give you everything you need to become a powerful Reiki master and a confident practitioner. This isn't just a Reiki Level 1 class. This is a full transformation from curious beginner to certified client-ready energy healer. And here's what's included. Reiki Level 1 class certification, Reiki Level 2 class certification, Reiki Master class certification, and Crystal Energy Healing certification, Purple Light Healing Practitioner certification. Plus, we're giving you 6 incredible bonuses to help you actually build your healing business. Bonus number 1, How to Get Clients mini course. Bonus number 2, Done for You templates and scripts. Bonus number 3, Create Your Signature Offer workshop. Bonus number 4, Pricing Guide and Contracts and Boundaries. Bonus number 5, Listing in our Purple Light Practitioner Directory. Bonus number 6, Soulful Sales Mini Course, How to Sell Without Selling Your Soul. Now, here's the part you need to know. This opportunity is only available for a limited time. Enrollment closes May 31st, 2025 because the live Reiki Master certification happens in June. And if you enroll now and pay in full, you'll unlock a fast action bonus, 50% off your ticket to our upcoming 3-day healing retreat in beautiful Santa Cruz County. This is where all the magic comes together: community, practice, and total energetic upgrade. So picture this. By this summer, you could be standing in your power, certified, confident, aligned, working with clients, changing lives, and doing what you were born to do. Or you could still be scrolling, wondering when you'll finally start. If you're feeling the pull, trust it. This is your moment. Click the button, enroll in the Reiki Mastery Path, and let's get you on the journey toward becoming the healer you were always meant to be. Sending you love, light, healing, and abundance. See you in the inside.